Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how to enable autosave in your gallery on your Emo application. If you are using Emo for chatting with friends and family and you want the received photos and videos to appear automatically in your device's gallery, then you can easily enable autosave. First of all, launch open your Emo application on your device, and once you're inside the main home page logged in, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you're inside the Me menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Chats. Now you'll be able to see this Chats tab, and now click on this Autosave After Receive option and toggle on the button right next to Photos and Videos. Once you switch these two buttons on, the photos and videos received on Emo should automatically appear in your phones or your tablets or any of your device's gallery. If the autosave still does not work, make sure that you have allowed photos or storage permission for Emo in your device's setting. Also make sure your device has enough storage space. Now your received media on Emo should automatically be saved to your device's gallery. It will make it easier to view and share later. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.